Welcome to Commerce class. Today we are going to see about partnership deed. Partnership deed is nothing but it is an agreement which contains the terms and condition of partnership. So it contains in detail about all the contents of partnership, how they are going to carry out capital contribution, name of the firm, withdrawal amount. So all the terms and agreements will be written in detail. That is called partnership deed. So why do they write this and get it signed? In order to avoid any misunderstanding that might appear in future. So, a partnership deed is a written agreement containing all the terms and condition of partnership. Why it is important? Because to have a written agreement in order to avoid misunderstanding. So, this is what is called a partnership deed. Drafted partnership deed helps in ironing out differences in partnership that develop among the partners and ensure smooth running of the partnership business. They give the reason why it must be drafted and signed to sort out the misunderstanding or some problem that may arise in future of the business. So if they ask you what is a partnership deed, you write this is enough. Next one. What are the contents? What goes into that partnership deed? First point, name of the firm. Every partnership, every business will have a name, isn't it? So the name of the firm must be written. Nature of proposed business. What business they are going to carry out. It must be given in detail. Then duration of partnership. Here, whether the business is for a fixed period of time or after completing one particular work, it will come to an end. So they are asking what is the duration of partnership? Is it going to be for a fixed period of time, or will the partnership firm come to end after completing a business? Then capital contribution. Each partner has to contribute capital, but it is not necessary everyone must contribute. Sometimes one partner may have managerial skill, or another person may have organizing power, or another person may have business acumen. So it is not necessary that every partner should contribute capital. Next, withdrawal of firm. What is the amount that can be withdrawn by the partner from the firm? Every partner can withdraw cash from the firm. That is a drawings. So to what extent he can withdraw? That amount must also be mentioned. Then profit sharing, profit or loss sharing. How do you share profit or loss? Here, if it is not mentioned in the deed, then profit and loss must be shared equally. Otherwise, they can share it according to their terms and condition. Next, interest on capital. What is the rate of interest to be allowed on capital? Now, every partner has contributed capital, so the business has to give them the interest. So, what is the rate of interest that has to be contributed? But if it is not mentioned in the agreement, then the rules of interest on capital in Partnership Act will take the effect. Okay. Next one, rate of interest on drawings. What is the rate of interest on drawings? Now, whatever amount they withdraw, that for drawings, then the particular partner has to pay interest for that particular drawings. Now, whether to allow interest or not must be mentioned in the partnership deed. Next is loan from partners. Whether loan can be accepted from partners. If they can accept, that means what is the rate of interest they have to pay. Loan from bank, loan from other financial institution. Like that, the partners themselves can give loan to the firm. Next, account keeping. How they maintain the cost and accounts. Then salary and commission to partners. Whether the partner is eligible to receive salary or commission. This must be specifically provided. Otherwise, no partner is entitled to any salary. Okay. salary and commission to partners. Next one, retirement. When they say about retirement, what is the arrangement that has to be paid to the retiring partner or deceased partner? That also must be mentioned here. Then goodwill valuation. How do you value goodwill of the firm? The method of valuating the goodwill on admission, death or retirement, and distribution of responsibility. Each work is entrusted to one partner. Different type of work is entrusted to different partners. So what is the work distribution to each partner must also be mentioned in the deed. So it gives detail about the working, about the name, the business, the how long they are going to carry out the business, what is the capital contributed, how much money can be withdrawn by the firm, what is the profit sharing method, what is the rate of interest to be given, then on in capital, then rate of interest on drawing, whether they can accept loan from partners, what is the method of keeping books of account, is the partner, the full-time partner, eligible to receive salary or commission, then on retirement, how do you settle them, how do you value the goodwill on retirement, death or admission, then distribution of responsibility. Now they may add even a few more contents. So these are the most important that's got to be looked in. So this is a content of partnership deed. So let's just recall, what is a partnership deed? It is a written agreement containing the terms and condition of partnership, where you have to have it in writing in order to avoid any misunderstandings in future. And then we saw the detailed content of partnership deed. We come to the end of the session. Thank you, children.